Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Welcome to Mike's Retro Tech and the Retro Tech Loft. An update video today on the Evolution EVS-1 synthesizer module. The last video I posted on this was in April. That's when I got the machine back from my brother and you saw me put the firmware in and upgrade it to the newest firmware. Now, there was a problem, there still is a problem with the audio. It's very low or it's crackly and it misses notes. It either doesn't play anything or it plays very low and very crackly. Now, I did say in the previous video that I was going to replace the voltage regulator and maybe recap it and change the amplifier chip. And as you can see from these photos, the complications of the circuit board I think are well above my technical capability. That's why there's no video, just a voiceover with some stills on this. I looked at it, I thought, what do I do? Do I order some parts? Do I try it? Do I make a video? And then I thought, no, I chickened out, to be fair, because it looks so complicated. I don't really want to try and mess around with it. I have a feeling that I might break it even more than it is at the moment. So I've spoken to my brother about it. He's gutted because he really wanted to use this. But he said, because I've had it since April, which is like almost 12 months. I mean, we're on nearly Christmas now again, 2021. And this was in April 21 that I did the video for the upgrade. He said, just don't bother. And to get him something else. So I've actually now listed this on eBay and listed it as spares and repairs because it's got no sound or very little sound, and somebody has bought it. So hopefully this will now go to somebody who can fix this properly and make use of it and get the most out of it. I even tried to buy another one of these. There was one recently on eBay, but it sold for a stupid amount of money and I just couldn't afford it, so I didn't bother. And that came with a proper genuine Evolution power supply. So I checked the power supply on the photograph and it is 9 volts, positive centre, 500 milliamp. Now, I thought maybe it was the power supply that was causing the problem. So I found a 9 volt, 600 milliamp adapter, which I chopped the end off and put a compatible end on and plugged that in. And it made no difference. It's the power supply that I was using was 300 milliamp. So I thought it might have been a bit less than it should have been, but no, it didn't make any difference. There was still very low or no audio at all coming out of the device. And I've also noticed as well that there's quite a lot of feedback coming out of it. So I'm wondering whether maybe one of the components on the motherboard has actually now died. Whether it's the preamp chip, the op amp chip, the whatever chip controls the audio. I don't know. Somebody commented on the eBay listing that maybe it was resistor 30, R30 that looked a bit dodgy, but I don't know. It could have just been the photograph on the picture. Anyway, the upshot is that I'm disappointed that it was too complicated for me to fix, and I didn't want to break it anymore. So unfortunately, there is no fixed video. So there we go. So the end of the video now, just the screenshots and the voiceover. I'm sorry for that, but I just wanted to give you an update. And the machine is packed away now, ready to be shipped to the buyer. So I wasn't going to get it out of the box. I wasn't going to mess around with that. I'll just leave it now for somebody else to fix and enjoy a very rare retro MIDI synth. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification icon, then select all so you get notifications when I release more videos. Click the thumbs up and the like. Share the video with your friends and family. Leave me a comment. Do you think you know what the problem is? Have you had one of these that you know is that you know how to fix? It would have been nice to have known beforehand before I sold it, but you know, these things happen. Maybe eventually I will try and find another one of these and a working one, and I don't have to do any work on it, and we can do a proper demo of it and we can show it you with the Atari ST connected as it should be all those years ago. But yeah, so that's it. End of the video. No more Evolution videos for now. As ever, stay safe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.